Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove and replace the AC compressor on Mercedes E220 CDI W211. The serpentine belt on this car is located on the front of the engine, and the AC compressor is located on the bottom left, which is the pulley right there on the bottom. To remove the AC compressor, first we start by removing the serpentine belt. To remove the serpentine belt, this is the tensioner that we need to turn in order to loosen the belt. And underneath the belt, this is the bolt that we need to turn with a size 17 12-volt socket and a long ratchet. We put it there, and then we're going to turn the ratchet anti-clockwise in order to loosen the belt. Here you can see how the belt is getting loose. Now we're going to take it out from one of the pulleys, and then we can return the ratchet and take it out, and then we can remove the belt. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, we'll start removing the AC compressor. First, we're going to disconnect the two AC lines. They're held by two bolts. These are the AC lines right there. They're held by two Torx bolts that we need to remove and then pull out the AC lines. Also, next to them, there is an electrical connector that we need to disconnect. This is the Torx that I'm using. To get to those two bolts for the AC lines, you need a long extension. When you remove both bolts, you need to pull out the AC lines. I've removed the AC lines now. I'll show you a closer view. Here it is. Next, we need to remove that electrical connector that's over there. I'm not going to be able to show it to you how to remove it because it's in a very tight spot. Next, I'll start removing the bolts. This is one of the bolts holding the AC compressor on top. We're going to remove it from top, and then we're going to go underneath the car and remove the other two bolts. Those bolts are E12 sockets. That's the top bolt out. Now we're gonna go underneath the car and remove the other two bolts. One is on the bottom of the compressor and one is on the rear of the compressor. This is the bolt on the bottom of the compressor. Now I'll show you the bolt on the rear of the compressor. The bolt is located right there. And this is the hole where you're going to put on the long extension and try and loosen and remove the bolt. We'll start by removing that bolt on the rear. This is exactly where you need to go through to get to that bolt. And that's the rear bolt of the AC compressor out. Now I'm going to get to the last bolt. This is the lower bolt on the front of the compressor. When I remove that bolt, then we can take out the compressor. That's the bolt out. Now I'm going to take out the compressor. To take it out, I need to go on top of the car and take it out from there. There is enough space to take it out from here. And that's the compressor out. Assembling it is in the exact reverse order. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.